Welcome to African Village Life. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joaquim Mugo from M County, Kenya, Africa. Kindly subscribe to my channel, support my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Wow, I'm so grateful. I would not have been made it without you. Thank you sana, asanteni kwa kunifikisha 1,000 subscribers in my channel. Thank you so much. Today we are cooking traditional village food. Nyama, meat, and rock of ages without frying them. Just boiling and eating. Thank you. Straight away, we have to steam the meat with salt for some minutes. Wow. Those are green veggies. We shall cook them, the whole of them, without cutting into pieces. Wow. Our recipe, we have spinach, rock of veggies, maroga, tomatoes, pilipili hoho, onions, and corn flour. Direct from posho meal. Our misfo is direct from a posho meal. Wow, we have to cut those into pieces. Pilipili hoho, nyanya, onions, and tomatoes in the same pot. Remember, we shall not fry our food today. We shall boil them and cook the way they are. So it is not a must that you have to add oil in your food. Today we are not adding any oil in our food. Wow, I'm not good in English. Wow. Wow, those are nyanya, tomatoes, and hoho. We cut them into one pot. Wow. Remember, we cut our recipes manually. This is our meat. You can see the meat is still boiling. The meat is still boiling. Wow, and my grandmother on the other side is looking for veggies. Then we add those recipes in our meat and we start with them to cook. Remember, we shall not add any oil. Wow. Where? In the other side, we shall continue with my grandma to cook with the corn flour direct from the portion meal. Remember, in African village life, we have harvested maize. So we are not buying corn flour. We are cooking corn flour direct from the portion meal. Wow, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for continued support. Thank you for returning viewers. Thank you for returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Kindly share, like, comment to your friends so that you can support my channel. Remember, my voice is not good. Niko na homa. Niko na cold. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. How do you cook your corn flour How do you cook your corn flour? Wow, on the other side, our meat is ready. Then we add the whole sum of spinach and green veggies. Wow. We have to wash these veggies directly from the. Wow. Those are our whole veggies. So we shall wash them and cook them as they are whole. And they are so delicious. Try at your country, try as you cook. Try to cook your veggies in whole. Wow. They are so delicious and yummy. Wow. Remember, it is in a weekend. Wow. Even kids are at home. So we shall cook our veggies as they are wholesome. Wow. Then we add salt. And we cover the pot. Another sufuria. Paseni. We stand with them to cook.
Where?
No go. Wow. After cooking for 30 minutes, we have to mix the mixture of meat and those veggies, green veggies. Remember, they are so healthy in vitamins. Let me know in the comment section. How am I cooking? The next episode, you want us to cook what? The next episode. Wow. The whole sum of spinach. Remember, we are waiting for lunch with the kids. Today's weekend. In Kenya, our kids, they don't go to school on weekend. So we are with them. Wow, yummy, delicious. Wow. Wow. Our veggies are ready. And corn flour ugali is ready. Remember, in the village we cook in the village kitchen. Also, we cook outside the kitchen. In the village, you don't have a specific place where you can cook your food. Remember, ugali is in the village kitchen and the nyama meat is outside with another kitchen. Remember, we use 3 stones for cooking our sufuria black color. Thank you. The food is ready. That's our grandma serve us. Wow. My grandmother is the one who is showing me how to cook without oil. They were cooked in their times, in their times, they were cooking just boiling food and eating. The food is ready. That's it. Delicious. Delicious. Let us enjoy together. Welcome. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Share. Comment. Comment. Let me know how I can advance my channel. Remember today my voice is not good. Niko na homa and I'm not good in English. This is corn flour direct from the kosher mill. Wow. Let us enjoy our lunch together. Thank you for watching. Yummy. Enjoy our lunch together. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Let me know in the comment section how am I doing in the village. The next episode, what would you like me to cook? Wow. Let us enjoy the lunch together. Yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. You can see delicious. Let us enjoy the food together. Remember, we are located from Embu, Kenya, Africa. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.